In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add internal and external links in WordPress quickly. Whether you're building a blog, launching a website for your business, or just want to improve navigation for your readers, adding links to your content is an essential skill. Links help guide your visitors to important pages, provide additional resources, or even connect them to external sites you find valuable. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to log into WordPress, access your site editor, and seamlessly add internal and external links to your content. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. All right, let's get started by logging into WordPress. First, open up your web browser and type in the address for WordPress, which is www.wordpress.com. Once the page loads, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. From here, you'll see multiple options for signing in. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This is a quick and secure way to log in as it links your WordPress account with your Google account, saving you time on future logins. Go ahead and click that option. Next, select the Google account that is associated with your WordPress setup. Be sure to pick the correct account to ensure you're accessing the right WordPress dashboard for your site. Great, now that you're logged in, let's move on to accessing the site editor. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. This is usually located on the main dashboard screen, so you shouldn't have to dig too far to find it. Under Quick Links, click on Edit Site. This will take you into editing mode, which is where you can make changes to your website, including adding links to your content. If you manage multiple websites within your WordPress account, you'll need to select the specific site you want to work on. Just click on the website you wish to edit, and the editor will load that site's content for you. Now that you're in the editing environment, let's talk about how to add links to your content. Start by identifying the text in your content where you want to include a link. For example, maybe you have a phrase like "learn more here" or a product name that you want to make clickable. Use your cursor to highlight the specific section of text that will serve as the anchor for your link. Highlighting the text helps WordPress isolate it so that only this part becomes clickable, leaving the rest of your content unchanged. Next, look at the toolbar that appears just above the selected text. You'll see an icon that looks like a chain link. This is the Add Link button. Click on that icon, and a small input area will appear where you can enter the URL for your link. Now, this is where you have options. If you're linking to another page within your own website, you can simply type the internal page URL. WordPress will also provide suggestions based on your site's existing content, which can be a quick way to find the right page. Alternatively, if you're linking to an external website like a resource or a partner site, you can enter the full web address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS. Before proceeding, make sure the URL is correct to ensure your visitors are directed to the intended destination. Once you've entered the URL, click to confirm it. This step finalizes the link and makes it functional. Now that your link is added, it's always a good idea to verify that it works correctly. You can do this by clicking on the highlighted link text directly in the editor. When you click it, it should open up the correct web address or page. Testing your links is a simple but important step to ensure that everything is active and operational for your visitors. And there you have it. You've just learned how to log into WordPress, navigate to the site editor, and add both internal and external links to your content. Properly linking your pages not only improves your website's usability, but also helps guide your audience exactly where they need to go. If you have any questions or want to share how you're using links on your website, leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.